In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to contacts in HubSpot. We'll start right from your browser. Open a new tab, go to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. In the results, click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. If you use single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete that as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot portal. Next, move your mouse to the left-hand sidebar and locate the CRM area. Depending on your layout, this sidebar is where HubSpot groups all customer records and tools. If your navigation looks a little different, don't worry. HubSpot updates its interface from time to time. You're looking for the section that houses your records. Now click Contacts. This opens your Contacts index, where you can see the list of people in your database. Use the search bar or filters if you need to narrow down the list, then click on the specific contact you want to work on. That opens the contact record, showing activity in the middle and details in the side panels. At the top of the record, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions to open the drop-down. From that list, choose Customize Properties. This controls which properties appear in the contact's left sidebar, so you can quickly see and edit the information that matters most. Inside the Customization view, click Add Properties. You may see something like 650, which indicates how many properties are currently shown out of the maximum you can display in that panel. Think of this step as deciding which fields you want handy while viewing the contact. Use the search bar or scroll to find the property you use as a tag. In many teams, tags are implemented as a custom property, often a multi-select or checkbox field. Click the property you want to add so it's included in the visible list for this contact record. A quick tip: choose clear, consistent tag names so your team can filter and report confidently later. When you've selected the property or tag you want, click Save. HubSpot will return you to the contact record, and you'll now see that property in the left sidebar. From here, you've made it easy to work with that tag going forward. Keeping your tag property visible ensures faster updates, cleaner segmentation, and better reporting, all without digging through long property lists. That's it. You've successfully added a tag property to your contact's visible details in HubSpot, making your contact management more organized and efficient.